SUNCLIX from Phoenix Contact, the tool-free connection system for photovoltaic systems. The SUNCLIX junction box was developed especially for the automated production of photovoltaic modules. The self-adhesive junction box is mounted onto the panel and automatically makes contact to the connecting ribbons in one single step. Use the SUNCLIX plug-in connectors for safe cabling of the panel locally. To assemble, insert the stripped cable into the connector. Press together, finished. That's how you connect the panels both to each other and to the inverter. Releasing the SUNCLIX plug-in connector takes place quickly and easily with the help of a screwdriver. SUNCLIX from Phoenix Contact, the tool-free connection system for photovoltaic systems.